Welcome beauties to an exciting episode of our Skincare Secrets series. Today we are diving deep into the world of natural beauty with an incredible ingredient that has been hailed for centuries, papaya. Get ready to uncover the amazing benefits of papaya facials in this eye-opening journey. But before we begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest skincare revelations. Alright, let's get started. Picture yourself in a luxurious spa surrounded by the soothing aroma of tropical fruits. That's the kind of experience papaya facials offer. But it's not just about the ambience. The benefits are truly extraordinary. First and foremost, papaya is packed with powerful enzymes like papain, which acts as a natural exfoliant, gently removing dead skin cells and revealing a radiant complexion underneath. It's like giving your face a fresh start. Did you know that papaya is a natural skin brightener? Its rich content of vitamin C helps fade dark spots, hyperpigmentation and acne scars, leaving your skin looking bright and even-toned. And here's a secret for all you acne warriors out there. Papaya contains a special enzyme called chymopapain, known for its anti-inflammatory properties. This helps reduce redness, calm irritated skin, and even prevent breakouts. Say goodbye to those pesky blemishes. Now get ready for a shocker. Papaya is a natural anti-aging powerhouse. Thanks to its high levels of antioxidants, it fights off free radicals that can cause premature aging, keeping your skin looking youthful and vibrant. Who needs a time machine when you have papaya? But wait, there's more. Papaya is also fantastic for hydration. Its natural moisturizing properties help nourish and hydrate your skin, giving it a plump, dewy appearance. It's like a tall drink of water for your face. Now that we've uncovered these incredible papaya facial benefits, it's time for you to experience them for yourself. Don't worry, we've got you covered with a link to a detailed article in the description box below. You'll find all the information you need to create your very own papaya facial right at home. Remember, beautiful skin is just a few papaya slices away. Incorporate this tropical wonder into your skincare routine and watch as your complexion transforms. Get ready to embrace the papaya revolution. Thank you for joining us today on this journey through the world of papaya facial benefits. Until next time, stay beautiful, stay confident, and keep exploring the secrets of skincare.